Today we will discuss different states of water. Water can exist. Water can exist in three states. In three states. Water can exist in three states. One is solid state, and the second one is liquid state, and the third one is gaseous state, and the third one is gaseous state. First one, solid state. Solid state. Solid state. At 0 degree centigrade, at 0 degree centigrade or below 0 degree centigrade, water can exist as solid. Water can exist as solid. This solid form of water is called ice. This solid form of water is called ice. Okay. When during winter season, during winter, under cold conditions, under cold conditions, the vapor of atmosphere is condensed. The vapor of atmosphere is condensed. Why? Atmosphere contains a lot of vapor. So in winter season and during winter, vapor of atmosphere is condensed. And then forms a small size ice particles. This is called snow. This is called snow. Okay. Covered during winter, the vapor of atmosphere is condensed and then forms a small size of ice particles. This is called snow. And the second one, liquid water. The most almost what is available in a liquid form. And at room temperature, the most stable form of water is stable state stable state of water is liquid state. Liquid state. The most stable state of water is liquid state. It is the most common state available in nature. It is most common state available. It is the most common state available of water in nature. Okay. Water vapor condenses. When water vapor condenses, then liquid water is formed. Liquid water is formed. So H2O vapor, when it undergoes condensation, H2O liquid. In this process, heat energy is released. When water undergoes condensation means any gaseous substance is converted into liquid. Any gaseous substance, when gaseous substance is converted into liquid, heat is always released. So this is exothermic reaction. This process, heat energy is released. Heat energy is released. This is about the liquid water. Okay. Next, gaseous state. Water can exist in a gaseous state at or above 100 degrees centigrade. At above 100 degrees centigrade, water is completely converted into vapor state. So when water is said to be steam. Water is said to be steam when it is present above 100 degrees centigrade. 100 degrees centigrade or above 100 degrees centigrade. Not only above 100 degrees centigrade, at 100 degrees centigrade also. When water is present at 100 degrees centigrade or above 100 degrees centigrade, then it is called steam. When water absorbs heat energy from the surroundings, and easily water can be converted into liquid water, can be converted into vapor state. So when water absorbs heat energy from surroundings, from surroundings, it is easily converted into it is easily converted into it is easily converted into vapor. So nature provides heat energy. Okay, light is come from sun. When water absorbs sunlight, it is easily converted into vapor. Best example, evaporation of water from oceans. When seawater absorbs heat energy, it is converted into vapor. Okay, so water absorbs heat energy from surroundings. So it is easily converted into vapor. Okay. Next, we will discuss how water is converted into one state to another state. How water is converted into another one state to another state. First, take liquid water. Liquid water H2O. Okay, when it is absorbs heat energy, absorbs heat energy, absorbs heat energy. It is converted into vapor. Vapor. When it is condensed, condensation, condensation, condensation. Again, it is converted into liquid water. Again, it is converted into liquid water. When liquid water absorbs heat energy, it is converted into vapor. When vapor undergoes condensation, again liquid water is formed. Okay. When ice is melted, this is ice. This is ice. Heat energy. Heat energy. That is liquid water. Liquid water. Ice is solid. Ice is solid. When energy is supplied to ice, it is converted into liquid water. And further heating energy, heat energy, it is converted into vapor. Okay. When solid water is directly converted into vapor, the amount of energy required for this process is called sublimation energy. When ice is solid water. Okay. When it is directly converted into vapor without formation of liquid water. Liquid water is not obtained since ice solid water is directly converted into vapor without formation of liquid water. Okay, vapor. The heat energy involved in this process, heat energy involved in this process is called sublimation energy. Sublimation energy. So, when ice is heated, first liquid is formed. When a liquid is heated, water vapor is formed. But I told you when certain amount of heat energy is supplied to water, it is directly converted into vapor without formation of liquid. The amount of heat energy when the solid water is finally converted into vapor without formation of liquid is called sublimation energy. So when a solid is converted into solid ice is converted into liquid. When a solid ice is converted into liquid water, heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed. When a liquid solid is converted into liquid, heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed. When a liquid is converted into solid, heat is released. Heat is released. Heat is released. Similarly, when a liquid is converted into vapor, H2O gas. When a liquid water is converted into H2O gas, when a liquid water converted into H2O gas, heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed. Heat is absorbed. But when H2O gas converted into liquid, heat is released. When H2O gas is converted into H2O liquid, heat is released. Heat is released. Okay. Now you will discuss the availability of water in different areas of the earth. Availability of water in different areas of the earth. Okay. Availability of water in different areas of the earth. First one, surface water. Surface water. First one, surface water. This is fresh water. Surface water, fresh water. Fresh water. Okay. It is available from rivers and lakes. Rivers and lakes. Fresh water is available from rivers and lakes. Okay. Source. Okay, rainwater and from glaciers. Okay. Surface water is fresh water. It is available from rivers and lakes. Okay. When rainwater flow into the rivers, when glaciers are melted at poles, what is come out, that is also flowing into the rivers. Okay, this is called surface water. What are the characteristics of this water? Okay, characteristics of surface water. Characteristics of surface water. First one, many minerals dissolved in this water. Many minerals dissolved in this water. అట్నే This water contains dissolved gases. And the third one is suspended impurities. This water contains suspended impurities. Suspended impurities. Suspended impurities. Most impure form of fresh water. Okay. 20 minutes again, sir. This is most impure form. Okay.